in a Waymo
Connected
car.
to rider support. This call
And-
may be recorded for quality assurance.
Hello, please. This is Waymo Support, where we support you way more than others. Mike, what seems to be the problem?
This car is just going in circles.
In circles like Trey Songz, or the car is going in circles?
I got a flight to catch. Why is this thing going in a circle?
Mike, I don't know if you're going to make the flight, but good news is I just pulled up to the parking lot, and I see the car circling. I'm getting dizzy. Hold on. I got to time it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Mike, press the button on your phone. It's on the bottom.
Can't you just do it? You should be able to handle it. Take over the car. You don't need my phone.
Come on, man. You see where I'm at? What you want me to do? Bite the tires? I'm trying to stop the car for you. Come on, Mike. Help me, please, Mike. Come on, man.